Starting around 23 June 2023, kind of smooth love mixture fundamentally is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.11% in kind of most recent 60 minutes in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. SLP sort of has a really complete market cap of $68,733,095, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,355,255, or so they truly thought. This truly makes kind of smooth love mixture, SLP, certainly positioning at 301 in the cryptographic money market, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the kind of smooth love elixir cost expectation end of 2023, what will kind of smooth love mixture for the most part be truly worth in 2023? Which for the most part is genuinely huge. Is somewhat smooth love elixir a genuinely wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023? Will SLP cost basically outperform its unsurpassed high? Which essentially is very critical. These explicitly are our smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP'(S) future in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the by and large smooth love mixture gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost in a real sense is supposed to cross and in every practical sense, normal value level of $0.002, the normal kind of least value worth of genuinely smooth love mixture, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to really be $0.002, which for the most part is very critical. Besides, SLP can explicitly arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.002, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Smooth love elixir value estimate June 2023. The really normal cost of pretty smooth love mixture, SLP, could commonly go to $0.002 toward the finish of June 2023, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. SLP could truly be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of $0.002, with the really least expected cost of $0.002 in an especially significant manner. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation July 2023. The cost for truly smooth love elixir in July 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $0.002, so while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $0.002, or so they sort of thought. Smooth love mixture value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of certainly smooth love elixir explicitly is supposed to for the most part be at around at least $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love elixir cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.002, with the sort of typical cost of $0.002 in United States dollars, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Smooth love mixture value expectation September 2023. Really smooth love elixir cost generally is supposed to in every practical sense reach between $0.002 to $0.002 in September 2023, while the especially normal cost of SLP for the September buy and large stays around $0.002 in every way that really matters. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation October 2023, with respect to October 2023. Fundamentally smooth love mixture cost in every way that really matters is gauged to generally arrive at a particularly the most minimal cost of $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. The SLP cost could explicitly arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.002, with the really normal expected cost around $0.002, which for the most part shows that sort of smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation July 2023. The cost for kind of smooth love elixir in July 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. SLP value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of pretty smooth love elixir certainly is determined to, in a real sense, be at around an essentially least worth of $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. The extremely smooth love mixture value worth can, in every practical sense, arrive at a truly limit of $0.002, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars, in an especially significant way. SLP value figure December 2023. Concerning December 2023, truly smooth love elixir really is supposed to generally arrive at an extremely least value worth of $0.002, so the smooth love mixture value worth can especially arrive at a very limit of $0.002, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars, which especially is very huge. The SLP cost could arrive at a really greatest cost of $0.002, with the typical cost around $0.002, which truly shows that kind of smooth love elixir value gauge June 2023. The extremely normal cost of genuinely smooth love mixture, SLP, could explicitly go to $0.002 toward the finish of June 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love mixture in every practical sense, past value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially, has been truly diminished by 3.3% in its extremely current worth, showing how is certainly smooth love elixir a genuinely wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. Assuming we fundamentally analyze the genuinely current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap generally is additionally down, which truly is very critical. From absolute most recent 7 days, the SLP generally was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.01% amazingly. Smooth love elixir most certainly has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be fundamentally great chance to buy in large, dive right in and contribute, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP in a real sense diminished by 45.119%, killing an incredible especially normal amount of $0.001 from its by and large current worth, which basically is genuinely huge. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be in every way that really matters. Great sort of purchase and open door for in every practical sense, fast interest in an especially enormous way. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 44.24%, and the cost circled from a kind of least kind of typical cost of $0.003 to truly greatest extremely normal cost of $0.003 in the kind of beyond 90 days, which for the most part shows that smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation July 2023. The cost for kind of smooth love mixture in July 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.0